that out.
Hey Anthony, I want to show you something.
See how effective that is? Look. What's going on here? Stretch your papers. Sticks right to the wall. Sticks to the wall. See? Come on. Stay this way. You're supposed to stop it. You know what I think we should do? This is my film. What? Well, I showed you everything. Well, almost everything, so...
Wait, Anthony, what's the other thing you wanted to show?
You really want to see it?
Yeah, I showed
Well, I showed you almost everything, so I think we should be going.
Wait, you said almost everything, don't you?
Come on! Well, I showed you almost everything, so that should be the end.
Wait, Anthony, almost everything. Do you still
Really want to see it?
Yeah, I really do. Dang it!
We showed you basically everything, so we should go now.
Wait, basically everything. Do you still have one more thing to show?
Really want to know?
Yeah, I do.